So hello, today we will speak about divisibility, and what's important here is that divisibility means that the remainder of the division is 0. So, and we have here one table, and the table shows divisibility rules for 2, 5 and 10. So let's number 2. Even number are divisible by 2. What it means, even number? It means, for example, we see here example like 246, 1522, and 3596. Why is like this? Because they are even. We see numbers. The last digit is even, so 6, 2, 6, 2, and 6. They are even. And 5 number, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. As we can see here, we have, for example, this is 15, 255, and 1970. So all they end 0, 5, 5. And at the end, number 10, we know that a number is divisible by 10 if ends with 0. It's really easy, and we have here some examples like this. You see that all they end with 0. And here we have some check, and we must check if is the number divisible by 2 and write yes or not. So we will decide if it's number divisible or not by 2. 36. Even numbers are divisible by 2. Is even number? Yes, it's divisible by 2. Now we have 57, and no, it's not divisible by 2. 452, yes, and at the end, 3325, we see that it ends with 0 and 5. It's divisible by 5. It's not divisible by 2. The next is the number divisible by 5, and write yes or no. So we see 821 divisible by 5, 9, divisible by 5, yes, divisible by 5, no, and this one is divisible by 5, yes. And the last is the number divisible by 10, write yes or no. We must think about that number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0, so not we see 0, yes, not, and 0, it's divisible by 10. So, and you must mention that we must remember that an even number is a number whose one digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. It's very important, and we wouldn't make mistake. Good. So at the end, you must know that divisible means that the remainder of the division is 0. So please care about number 2, number 5, and number 10, and be careful and remember when is number divisible by 2, by 5, and by 10. And the next page is about more exercises where you can write if it's number divisible by 2 or not, and we can look together. So we have number 195. It's divisible by 2 or not? It's not divisible. 24, it will be divisible by 2. 376, yes, divisible by 2. And this one, divisible by 2? Yes. This one. The next is the number divisible by 5. We must know that number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 and 5. And we can see it's 5, yes, it's divisible. Here is 0, yes, it's divisible. This one is not divisible by 5, and this one is divisible by 5. So in this way we can easily decide if it's number divisible or not divisible. So, and we will go the last exercises. Exercise number 21. If it's divisible by 10, we must write yes or no. So this one, yes, it's divisible by 10. This one is not divisible by 10. This one is divisible, and this one, again, yes. Now we have here table, and we must decide if these numbers, they are divisible or not. So this we will make in another video. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye everyone.